Lawnmower version 1.4 tutorial. Installing hardware. Before installing, check you have enough space. Any potting shed after version 3.4 should be adequate. Basic controls. Get used to navigating with the lawnmower. Instead of flourishy mouse movements, get used to using more rigid, pushy propulsion. Getting started. You're now ready to get started. The area you're going to work on is referred to as the lawn. Think of the lawn as your work area, or sloped work area if the lawn is a ha-ha on the grounds of a stately home. To delete, push the lawnmower forward in a forward movement. If you wish to preview what you're about to mow, try flattening the patch of grass before proceeding. If you're unhappy with the result, don't worry, you can always use undo, which should take around 6 weeks. To quit the lawnmower application, simply stand stock still and close down your forward force routine, or walk in a direction away from the lawnmower. To get an overview of the work area you're working on, climb to a level of a step ladder and push the lawnmower at the required distance above the ground. If this view is unworkable, try zooming in and out to whatever suits you by climbing to a different rung. To zoom right in, bend your head as close as you can to the lawn that you're cutting at the same time as you push the lawnmower along. Troubleshooting. The sound changes from ridda to ridda. Stop, lift up mower, check the work area for mature cheeses. Lawnmower is on your kidneys. Lift up lawnmower, extricate yourself, and stand to assume recommended operating posture. Left nasal flange is covered in green spots. You have Peruvian green chipmunk disease. Close down, seek incubation for several months, and seek further treatment.